If you're learning web security, there is one tool you will see everywhere, the DVWA, the damn vulnerable web application. In this video, I will show you how to install DVWA from scratch on Kali Linux and explain every step along the way. So let's get started. Step 1. Download DVWA. Open your terminal and move to Apache's web directory. This folder where Apache serves websites. Now clone the DVWA repository from GitHub. Once it's downloaded, verify the files. You should see the DVWA folder. Move into it. Inside the project, you will find a configuration folder. Move to configuration folder and list the files. You will notice this folder. Copy it and now you have to edit it. In that, change the admin and password. After that, save the file using Ctrl-O and Ctrl-X. Start MySQL server. This is where DVWA data is actually stored. Without MySQL, DVWA simply won't work. Start the database services. Verify that is running. If you see active, you're good to go. Now log in into MySQL. Enter your Kali's password. Now create the database. Now create a database user and grant the permissions to the DVWA database. Then exit. Now start the Apache. Apache is the web server that will host DVWA. Start it. And now enable URL include. Now we need to enable one PHP setting that DVWA requires. Go to the PHP configuration directory. Then navigate into your installed PHP version. Open the PHP configuration. Search using Ctrl-W. Allow underscore URL underscore include. Change it to on. And then save and exit. And now restart the Apache server. That's it. Open Firefox on your Kali Linux and go to localhost. Log in into DVWA using username and password. You will see the DVWA setup page. And if everything was configured correctly, the DVWA is ready to use. Congratulations. Now you have your own intentionally vulnerable web application where you can safely practice web hacking techniques without attacking real websites.